I would say that not really appear on non-appearance, but I will deal with the problem directly, frontally. As a lawyer, gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko.
Unang-una, how are you po? Talagang ang daming gusto magtanong, kumusta po si President Duterte?
Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. Wala ka.
Okay, sir. Hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, sir. Nitong weekend, lalo na kahapon, ang dami hong nagulantang at nagpanik dahil dun sa balita. Ano po ba talaga ang nakarating sa inyo, sir? Meron daw po ba kayo talagang warrant of arrest? Ano po?
Alam mo, ma'am, what is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the, communications. Very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant. Ilang segundo lang. So, ang masasabi ko, ma'am, is though I do not claim ignorance about the moves before and long before and after a few months of respite, nandiyan na naman yung issue. So, I guess this mga ano na ito, issues, I would call them, would hound me until the dying days of my life.
Okay, so ano to, sir? So they won't really stop.
Again?
So talagang hindi sila titigil, sir?
No, ako as I remain, mainly if I remain to be a politician all the year round. But it might simmer a little bit down the line. Pero pag hindi na masyado ako active. But for as long as I am there in the political arena of the Republic of the Philippines, I would be a constant, not really issue, but a good copy for whatever I say or whatever I do, and what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow.
Alright.
Yan, okay.
Sir, okay, sir, does this bother you, sir? Itong mga naglutangang information na meron ng warrant sa inyo? Warrant of arrest?
Alam mo, ma'am, sa totoo lang, I have been in politics for almost nearly 30 years. Been mayor, lahat-lahat ng klaseng issue. Firstly, as vice mayor, congressman, then as president. Hindi ko naman siya nasabi, minamaliit ko. Pagyayabang yan eh. But it's almost an day in, day out, month long, year after year. It's has become an irritation, really. Especially if patanda ka na and you still have to deal with the same questions and issues until now. Pero I take it as part of my political life. Kasi nandyan I early on nagpasok ako sa gobyerno as a prosecutor that verily as early as ilang taon lang pumasok na ako sa politika.
Okay. Sir, kung sakali nga po na meron at kayo ay pasoman po, will you appear?
Again, ma'am.
If ever na meron nga po talaga, kung talagang totoo nga itong warrant of arrest ng mga lumutang, kung sakaling meron nga talaga, what's your plan po? Will you appear kung sakaling pasoman po kayo, sir?
I would say that not really appear on non-appearance, but I will deal with the problem directly, frontally. As a lawyer, gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko.
Okay, sir. So, suffice to say that you have been prepared for this po, Mr. President?
For the longest time. For the longest time since, as far as I can remember, maaga ako ng ilang years early on, so that to be around siguro, put it lightly, mga first 5 years, first term, second term, nandyan na yan. So, I have learned to deal with the problem directly, frontally, and walang pasikot-sikot.
Alright.
I have been very frank all these years.
Alright. Okay. Sir, aside from this po, sir, meron din pong ifinal sa inyo sa DOJ na inciting to sedition. Unang-una, what's your take on this po, sir, na kayo po ay napailan ng ganito, sir?
Is it the sedition na yun?
That's different, sir. Aside from ICC, sir, meron din po, di ba, sir, may final din po sa inyo na inciting sa DOJ?
Inciting to sedition? Wala akong alam yan. Ngayon lang. Alam ko na may plano na idemanda ako, pero specifics, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Iyon naman sa ICC, matagal na yun. Whatever course it might turn to, I am ready for it. Kasi dumaan ako sa trabaho ko, ma'am, as an appointed elected official of the Republic. I do not no excuses to give. I offer no apology. I did what I did because
Okay.
to continue, I said I did what I had to do kasi trabaho ko at ginawa ko. Whether or not it would run me down or push me up, it's too early and it for history to make the accurate count. Wala ako. I do not want to judge myself except that I answer the problem, the questions, whenever it...
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Tommy Estrada, shame on those Pinoys who submitted their allegiance to foreign jurisdiction. Pahayag naman ni Chris Oro, kalmado lang nga si Duterte kasi he knows what is going on. He is smart and knows what to do. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Mayet Art Rigor. United States have totally withdrawn from ICC. BBM is trying to wash his hand in crucifying a beloved PRRD. Filipino uprising may be happening soon. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.